Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. This is Anandita. Thanks a lot for the messages, feedback, comments and all the love that you've been sending out to me. And आप सबका ढेर सारा प्यार मुझे मिल रहा है and I'm really happy कि आप लोग मेरे चैनल के लिए टाइम निकालते हैं, मैसेज करते हैं, कमेंट करते हैं. बहुत सारे लोगों ने मेल्स भेजी हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. धीरे धीरे करके आप सबकी मेल्स को भी रिप्लाई करूँगी. आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट कि किसी का भी रिप्लाई ना छूटे. सो अगर आपको अभी तक मेरा मैसेज नहीं मिला, मेल नहीं मिली, इफ आई हैवंट स्टिल लाइक योर कमेंट और कमेंटेड ऑन इट, प्लीज वेट. आई डू दैट ऑन द वीकेंड सून. So I'm back here with another pick a card reading, but before we move forward, I just have a request. Please, people who are new to my channel, I request you to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And people who are already been following my channel, I request you to please keep sharing the channel with friends and family. So today's reading is to let you know your person's feelings at the moment and what's the next move going to be in your relationship. So whatever's next happening, I'm going to let you know. Also, people, please remember this is a general reading, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck. This is pile number 2, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. And this is pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. You could also just connect with the crystals. That's the Rose Quartz crystal in pile number 1. Pile number 2 has the Tourmaline, black Tourmaline crystal. And pile number 3 has the Peach Moonstone crystal. So just you could just pause the video and just zoom in a little and the piles will be nice and clear to you. So I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. So let's start with people who've chosen pile number 1. आपके person की क्या present क्या feelings हैं and what's going on in the relationship and what's going to be their next move. I'm trying to cover up a lot of things in the relationship reading today. Please think about your person. And let me shuffle the cards for you. Alright, people who've chosen pile number 1. The good news is the basis of your relationship, चाहे कुछ भी अभी चल रहा है, that I'll let you know. But the first thing is the basis of this relationship is immense love. It's just full of love and prosperity. So that's the basis of your relationship. Also, I see that, you are looking for some kind of a meeting, communication with your person. आपकी तरफ से there is something that you really want to be successful in this relationship. आप इस relationship के लिए victory की effort कर रहे हैं. And also maybe for some of you are right now not in touch with your person or in a no contract relationship because of issues. Also on your person's side, I see that even though they want things to get better, मन में आप दोनों की positivity है and you want this dull phase to get over. The basis of the relationship is love, but the temporary situation right now is that there is stagnancy and dullness, and कहीं ना कहीं your person is emotionally very they're broken. They're not sharing their negative feelings, I should say, or the anxious feelings that they have in their mind वो नहीं निकल के आ रही हैं. The road is unknown, and I also see that efforts के results are not showing at this point in time. The efforts you're putting, your person maybe has taken a backseat. They are very dull, very stagnant, very stressful, not sharing their feelings with you. क्या मन में चल रहा है, it's not coming out. But आपकी side से you're definitely wanting a communication. You want to you want to talk to your person. You want to get this relationship going. You want to work for the relationship. So I see the next move is definitely that you need to wait. You need to give it some time. Give the relationship, the situation, as well as your person. You need to give this some time. Inner self से आप please help मांगिए. People who've chosen pile number 1, connect with your inner self, meditate, connect. You will get answers to solve your problems, solve this relationship. Next 18 days I see a positive growth happening in the relationship. अभी जो ये dullness and stagnancy है, बहुत ज़्यादा confusion है आपके relationship में at this point in time, that I see fading away. And yes, the bond at least again starts to build up again. जो maybe अभी you are in a no contact relationship or you're in a dull relationship, I see this changing, and I see that you and your person will start building up the relationship once again. And soon, within no time, unexpectedly, things will start getting better between you and your person. And you and your person are going to start back in, into a new beginning. First of all, that's, it's a new beginning in the relationship. Contact हो जाएगा, person से बात हो जाएगी, and also the balance that you're looking for जो अभी नहीं है, maybe there's a lot of stress and anxiety जो आ गया है इस relationship में, जिसकी वजह से the balance in the relationship has been lost. That I see coming back, a beautiful change coming in the relationship, the struggle getting over for people who've chosen pile number 1. सबसे बड़ी बात ये है, जो आप अभी struggle face कर रहे हैं या जो एक नेगेटिव फेज आपके रिलेशनशिप में चल रहा है, दैट आई सी गोइंग एंड अ पॉजिटिव न्यू बिगिनिंग. जो मैंने पहले भी बोला, एक न्यू बिगिनिंग है इस रिलेशनशिप की. वेदर इट कुड बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ सम काइंड ऑफ अ बिग सेरेमनी, a small ceremony, a commitment between you and your person, but there is going to be a movement in this relationship, a change in the relationship for the betterment, for the positivity of this relationship. And also, जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा था कि आपका relationship का basis is love, so please don't worry कि don't get confused. I see that कहीं ना कहीं confusion आ गई है. What next? What's going to happen? So it's very clear in the cards that there's nothing to worry about. Things are moving. You need to give it time. Maximum time, I would say 2 months for people who've chosen pile number 1. But like I said, 18 days में आपकी शुरुआत हो जाएगी of the positive bond building again. And it's going to be the best of everything. जो आप desire करेंगे, you're getting it in this relationship soon. Balance is coming, ceremonies are coming, commitment is coming within the next 2 months. So the next move basically right now is that अपने person को please थोड़ा सा time दीजिए before they feel comfortable. Till the time वो थोड़ा अपना time ले रहे हैं, they are not responding, they are not contacting you. Give them some time. Seek inner guidance, what's gone wrong, why things went this way, what's really bothering your person, and then try and communicate with your person. You need to really balance spirituality as well as your practicality. People who've chosen pile number 1, first step would be to actually become calm, composed, spiritual. अपना energies को tap करिए, ask your inner self for guidance, meditate करिए. Once you get that, then contact your person, communicate with your person. And also I see that आपके person को अपनी feelings, अपनी negativity बाहर निकालने की ज़रूरत है, because there's too much of pent up negative energy that is come in the relationship. The Moonology cards have also confirmed that this is just the time to wait, because your commitment is being tested. People who've chosen pile number 1, and it's clear on the cards, prosperity is coming to you, prosperity lies ahead, and have faith in your dreams. अगर आपके और आपके पर्सन ने मिल के एक ड्रीम देखा है, एक सपना देखा है कि इस रिलेशनशिप को हम आगे लेके जाएंगे, कमिटमेंट करेंगे, तो अगर ये छोटा सा एक रफ पैच आ भी गया है, विच इज़ जस्ट अ टेम्पररी फेस, आई कैन क्लियरली सी. अपने अंदर की डिटर्मिनेशन, अपने अंदर की फायर एलिमेंट को मत खत्म करिए. पीपल हु चोजन पाइल नंबर 1, कंफ्यूजन मत लेके आइए. सून एवरीथिंग विल बी इन योर कंट्रोल. जैसा आप ये रिलेशनशिप, आप और आपके पर्सन जैसा ये रिलेशनशिप बनाना चाहेंगे, दैट्स गोना बी ऑन द कार्ड्स, दैट्स व्हाट्स गोना happen eventually. So you need to just give it some time. It's just a waiting period which will get over soon. For a lot of you, 3.5 weeks from now, I see you taking that plunge with your person and deciding on your future, deciding to be together with each other, and exploring life together. Then you will not be bothered about what others are saying. आज आपका temporary phase है, which is a dull phase, but soon the positive phase is the real phase. That's the thing which is going to stay on forever. So I see your person, you and your person together. Your next move should be just to give them time and let them release that negativity, let them release that turmoil, the energy built up which is really troubling them, and then speak to them, communicate with them, and then make your plan forward. So I hope this reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 1. Thanks a lot for watching the reading and dropping by my channel today. I'll be coming back with more such readings, and do catch me live soon, maybe on the weekend, and you'll get the post on YouTube as well as the Instagram tarot arc and Facebook tarot arc. So just stay tuned, keep checking the stories, keep checking the community post on the channel for the live update. Thanks a lot once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2, the Rider-Waite tarot deck or the black tourmaline crystal. Let's see आपकी relationship में what's going on, what are your person's feelings for you right now, and what's the next move, what's going to happen in the relationship. it's a full relationship reading today. So think about your person while I shuffle the cards for you. People who've chosen pile number 2, your person somewhere is feeling that their expectations haven't been fulfilled the way they wanted to, and अभी आपके relationship में एक stagnant, एक dull, एक slow phase चल रहा है. Things are not moving, या अगर चल भी रही है तो बहुत slowly things are moving. Your person is a little confused. Their feelings towards you at this point in time are a little confused. They want to make the relationship work. They want to have they want things to work for you, but somehow I feel because of their expectations being hurt, and because whatever has happened in this relationship at this point in time, जो situation है उसमें वो बहुत ज़्यादा exhaust हो गए हैं. Maybe उन्होंने बहुत effort डाला है, but things haven't worked out, and you're also wanting for things to work out, but maybe आपका effort उतना ज़्यादा नहीं था, and आपके person का effort ज़्यादा था, or there was a lot of dominance in the relationship. You were trying to control the situation or dominate your person. So somewhere or the other I see that there is a lack of understanding and a lack of the expectations being fulfilled, जिसकी वजह से बहुत confusion आ गया है आपके person के mind में, बहुत exhaustion आ गया है. Maybe they've walked away from this relationship, or they've walked out of this situation. They're just wanting to be with themselves. They're wanting कि ये time थोड़ा वो अपने आप से they want to think about things, because the confusion is such that they really can't take a decision right now. But I do see that 28 days के अंदर there'll be new changes in the relationship, and the relationship is actually lacking a plan. जो भी आपका relationship है, this is a general reading, so obviously things are not going to be exact for everybody, like exact same for everybody, but something which your relationship is lacking is a plan. Maybe you've made a lot of you've seen dreams together, you are in love with each other, but इसको fulfill करने का जो plan है, that's what is lacking. And maybe आपके ideas एक दूसरे के साथ clash करते हैं, या आपके बीच में misunderstandings हो जाती है when you really talk about commitment, or when you talk about the further course or the further plan of this relationship, the further course of action जो इस relationship में होना चाहिए. And that's why you're not able to strike a balance in the relationship. Contentment नहीं है in the relationship कहीं ना कहीं, और बहुत ज़्यादा stress आ गया है. You both are determined कि ये relationship work करवाना है, work करना चाहिए, but कैसे करना चाहिए उसके ऊपर आके maybe you both just fall प्रे टू द सिचुएशन, या फिर एक आर्ग्यूमेंट हो जाती है, स्टैग्नेंसी आ जाती है, थॉट्स नहीं मैच होते हैं, सो यू जस्ट लीव द सिचुएशन देयर एंड देन. वो कभी हो नहीं पाता. योर पर्सन एज वेल एज यू आर डेफिनेटली लुकिंग फॉर अ न्यू बिगिनिंग इन द रिलेशनशिप, अ न्यू बॉन्ड इन द रिलेशनशिप. बहुत सारे लोग हो सकता है यू आर नॉट टॉकिंग टू योर पर्सन इज नॉट टॉकिंग टू यू, सो यू बोथ आर लुकिंग फॉर अ पैच अप इन द रिलेशनशिप. आई कैन सी दैट you are waiting for some people to help you, or somebody to help you, and the change is awaited by your person as well as you. आप दोनों चाहते हैं कि ये situation change हो और चीज़ें आप दोनों की लाइफ में better हो, but it's just that आपके person, because of lack of knowledge, because of the lack of a plan or resources कि आगे करना क्या है, उसकी वजह से, because the road is just unknown, you don't really know कि how things will work out, so उसकी वजह से your person has just walked away from the relationship. So the cards are advising you, the next move for you would be to first of all don't burden your person, share the responsibility. आप भी effort डालिए. maybe आपके person ने ज़्यादा effort डाली और आपने कम डाली है, या आपके person को लगता है आपने efforts कम डाले हैं जिसकी वजह से वो बहुत hurt हैं, या उनकी expectations hurt हुई है. So you need to first of all stand up to your person's expectations. अपनी मन से confusion हटाइए, work towards the relationship. Somewhere I see that आज भी, like even though you both have been in a relationship, there are things which are going up and down, but this is not the time to think about the pros and cons of whether to be in the relationship or not. You're beyond that, and if you want this relationship to work, आपको actually में सोचना पड़ेगा how to make it up to your person, how you and your person actually have to get together, forget about the world, forget about what people are going to think about you both, because at the end of the day आपका relationship है which matters. You don't have to worry about what people will say or feel. And I do see कि अगर आप मेहनत करते हैं in this relationship, this time the move has to be from your end. People who've chosen pile number 2, the next move has to be from you. You have to put in the effort. You have to make your person feel the same way. Like उनको फील होना चाहिए कि आप भी उतना ही एफर्ट डाल रहे हैं, आपको भी उतना ही हर्ट करता है if you're not with them or if they're not with you. And I do see that in the next 3.5 weeks to about 6.5 weeks, things will change. Unexpectedly things will start moving for the better. या तो आपको हेल्प करने के लिए लोग मिल जाएंगे, या you will suddenly have a plan with each other, or you both will just decide कि let's forget the world, let's forget about what people are actually going to say, and let's move forward with each other and then see what we have, what we want to do. But it's clear from the cards that this time the next move has to be from your end. Your person loves you, your person cares for you, but this is the time for you to actually show them, because उनको confusion हो गया है. They want things to work, but if things are not going to work, then they are just confused how to make it happen. People who've chosen pile number 2, for some of you I also see कि शायद आपके रिलेशनशिप में एक फाइनेंशियल टर्न आ गया है. there's a change in the situation because of some kind of a financial issue. There could be problems between, there could be a difference of financial issues, a financial standing between you and your person, and that's why the issues have come. It could be for some of you. So if that's also the case, your person is very overburdened because of that also, because your person is really feeling how to match up to you. So you really need to make your person understand that it's, if that's what the case is, then you really need to make your person understand that that burden should not be so much that it makes them confused whether to be with you or not. I see that people who've chosen pile number 2, if the financial thing has cropped up, you really need to, both of you need to, sit and explain to each other, communicate with each other your feelings, and give your love and feelings the main priority rather than this issue. So let's see what the Moonology cards are guiding you for your next move. You need to first of all believe in this plan, believe in the impossible, that this can be done. And this tough cycle that you are in at this point in time is soon gonna end. And things are just gonna, this is a test for you. This is a test of your commitment, your love for each other. People who've chosen pile number 2, it's time for you to take action. You need to take action, and this time this action has to happen from you. So the next move for this relationship is definitely in your hands. So make up your mind, change the situation, speak to your person, get things sorted out, clear the misunderstanding, clear the burden, ease off that burden from your person's shoulders, and also try and reach up to their expectations, because somewhere something has gone wrong which has really hurt them and burdened them. They're exhausted. So I hope this reading was helpful and beneficial for people who chose pile number 2. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comment section. Do let me know how the reading was, whether it resonated or not. Also stay tuned for live readings coming soon, maybe on the weekend, so you can just keep checking the channel, the community post, as well as you could check the stories on Tarot Arc Instagram and Tarot Arc Facebook. Catch me live soon. Thanks a lot once again for dropping by today's reading. I'll see you soon. Take care and stay safe. People who are new to my channel, I request you to please keep, please like, subscribe and share the channel, and also please people keep sharing the channel. It means a lot to me if you do that for me. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate your support. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. Everything about your relationship, think about your person, and I shall tell you what's going on, what are their feelings right now, and what's the next move. People who've chosen pile number 3, I see that there is a lot of stress and struggle going on in the relationship, and you both are very, very anxious and very, very stressed out. For a lot of you, you're both are, waiting for some kind of a reunion or a patch up to happen. And especially people who've chosen pile number 3, especially your person is feeling very helpless, because things are not in their hand, or maybe things are going very slow and they've just left things to the almighty, they've left things to the universe so that things work out for you. But the final outcome I see is both of you together. I see the patch up happening. I see that both of you in this situation, there is an ego clash somehow, but you both are wanting to make this relationship successful. But maybe you both have your own set of ideas, own set of plans, and you don't really want to budge away from the situation. And the final outcome for in both your minds is this success and victory of the relationship, but you have your own ideas. So that ego, that that I should be the one who should be winning, or the person should be the one who should be winning, that win-win situation has made a clash in between you both. So I see the relationship first of all getting better. I see your reunion on the cards, and people, I can also see that your person is extremely anxious and stressed out. It's like the end of the world for them. And also on your end, I see that the struggle is too much, and maybe your person is not listening to you, or your person is not listening to your idea, so that's really bothering you. You want to maybe dominate the situation, or you want things to happen your way, and you're also very stressed out. I can see that. But I see the partnership happening very soon. People who've chosen this pile, unexpectedly, something out of the blue, there's going to be something which takes place out of the blue, which will just make things better between you both. I see success on the cards when it comes to this relationship. The partnership is here to grow. The partnership will grow soon, but the negativity that has really cropped up in your head, in your mind, your person is also extremely emotional, anxious, you're also stressful. Whatever feelings are coming in between in your head are actually creating more and more dullness and more distance between you and your person. So please communicate. You need to start talking to each other. Dial the phone, pick up the phone, just meet your person, but that contact needs to be established. I see that this bond is soon going to turn into a perfect relationship. The universe is with you, and I see the divine helping you. I see a new beginning on this relationship very soon. Movement, commitment, marriage, roka, engagement, anything on those lines is in store for people who've chosen pile number 3. Lots of love in the relationship. Your bowl being full up to the brim with prosperity, peace, harmony with you and your person. Lot of love. And that's the card of the Lovers. That's for you and your person. I hope that brings happiness to you. So people, it's one of the best cards of my deck when it comes to lovers, when it comes to relationships. That's what it is. And the partnership here is here to bloom, here to stay. And society really praising this relationship. So, your families, your friends, your relatives, whoever, whatever. When I say society, it's all your people. It's like you both get that acknowledgement of the best relationship, a perfect couple. You're recognized with amongst society. And like I said, something on the ceremonies on the cards for you. The efforts of your labor are here to now get rewarded very soon. 24 days from now, people who've chosen pile number 3, I see that new beginnings, new opportunities are going to stand up in front of you, line up in front of you. And like I said, just make that call, communicate with your person. That should be the next move. Don't wait for ego. Like, don't wait for the other person to take the first step. Just do it. Life is too short to show your ego, and I can see it on the cards that it's just a very minor issue, whatever is there. So just do your bit. Your person has also left things to the destiny. They want it to happen, but something is stopping them. Maybe it's the ego, maybe it's dullness, it's stagnancy. So you just need to remove this, and unexpectedly I see things moving towards your favor. Celebration is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3. And also this wait, maybe you people have been really waiting for the relationship to take a turn, for things to get better between you both, or jump out of this whole scenario and start afresh with each other. So all that is in store for you. 3.5 weeks from now, 24 days from now, all the timings are coming together. Only it's just a matter of few days, I should say. And for a lot of you, the engagement or the roka or any ceremony is in store within the next 3 to 4 months. Also, please stay away from negativity. Your life is going to be really filled up with a lot of love and prosperity. People who've chosen pile number 3, so just stay away from confusion, stay away from gossiping. Things won't go in the nice manner. You know, people are jealous of you, people are jealous out there, so you need to just wean away from such people and make your relationship really, really private. Also, I can see that whatever this issue has cropped up between you both, it's making you, the distance is growing. So please make sure that you both try and remove this barrier that has cropped up in between you both, which I can see is getting removed soon. Balance is in your life, yin and yang in your, you know, life is like your yin and yang is soon going to be balanced by the universe, and a beautiful time for you both to cherish. It's one of the best relationship cards that my, you know, deck have all come out. It's a perfect amalgamation. Health, wealth, career, everything is perfect for this couple. You know, it goes, everything goes for them in the perfect manner. So yes, this is a time to really embrace your relationship. Keep it away from negativity, keep it away from people, and preserve it, cherish it, nurture it. Believe in yourself, believe in your person, remove the ego. It's, you know, look at the bigger picture. It's about you and your person. It doesn't matter who takes the first step. So people, if you're watching my reading and if this is what is going on, just leave the ego and make this next move. Let's see what the Moonology cards are guiding you to do. Create a balance, people who've chosen pile number 3. That's clearly in my cards. A win-win situation, a win-win forecast is on the cards for you. A win-win outcome is on the forecast for you. And let's see, this is the end of this cycle which is going on. The tough cycle is finally coming to an end. People who've chosen pile number 3, it's a beautiful time. You're very close to achieving your goal. So all the cards, Moonology cards, are also confirming that something is coming, something major, something positive, a new start is coming. So people who've chosen pile number 3, it's a suggestion, a recommendation, and my advice to you from the cards that leave your ego, make the next move. Your person loves you, you love you, you love your person, and I see that your, you know, your love cup is going to be filled up with love for you as well as your person, and a lot of prosperity in this relationship, harmony. It's going to be a perfect balance between you both. And it's just that this time is such that, you know, things haven't really worked out for you. So forget about whatever's gone in the past, forget about who's going to take the first chance. Just make that move and let's see how things work for you. So I wish you all the best, people who've chosen pile number 3. Do make your move. And do let me know in the comment section how the reading was, whether it was resonant with you or not. Leave in your comments and feedback. Stay tuned for a live session very soon. So please check out the community button, community post on my, you know, YouTube channel for live updates. And also you could check out on Tarot Arc Instagram, Tarot Arc Facebook. I keep putting my story there. I'll be soon going live. So I'll be there to answer all your questions. Thanks a lot once again for dropping by my channel. It's a humble request to everybody. Whoever's new, please do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also, people who are old to my channel, please do keep sending your love. Keep sharing the channel. Please continue to give me your support. It means a lot to me. Thanks a lot once again. Take care, everyone, till we meet next.